The circuit breaker provides overload protection to your planer's motor. Planers are workhorses that make short work of thicknessing lumber. Attempting to take too big of a bite out of a wide board will quickly put a load on the planer's motor that it can't handle. At this point, the circuit breaker will trip, shutting off power to the motor, protecting it from costly damage. Over time, the circuit breaker can fail, causing it to trip prematurely or to not reset after tripping. Replacing the circuit breaker is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the trim piece around the switch. Now we'll remove the switch plate that secures the switch to the planer. Now I have access to the two wires on the bottom of the circuit breaker. I'll use my needle nose pliers to remove them. There's the first wire and the second. Now I'll use a wrench to loosen the nut that secures the circuit breaker to the housing, and then I can go ahead and remove the circuit breaker. Here I have the new circuit breaker. I'm going to remove the nut that came with it, remove the round plate, and transfer the square plate from the old circuit breaker over to the new one. Now I'll go ahead and connect the wires to the new circuit breaker. You'll notice that the breaker is marked with a line and load. Line is the wire coming from the cord, which is this one. I'll go ahead and install it. Load is the wire that's attached to the switch. Now I can insert the breaker back into the housing to install it. And I'll secure the breaker with the nut. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the switch. And that's all it takes to replace the circuit breaker on your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.